Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to film today's video. I've been waiting for this product and it's finally here. So I'm just reviewing and trying this infamous product that I've literally been seeing all over my Instagram, and you've probably been seeing it all over your Instagram too. It's the ilmakiage foundation. You know that Instagram ad where you see people put on the foundation flawlessly and it matches their skin perfectly and you can try it for free? Yeah, I tried it for free. So I just figured it would be a cool video just because I want to see if it really works. Basically, I just filled out a quick little questionnaire, like basically matched pictures that looks like my skin tone the best. There's probably 10 questions on that questionnaire and it gave me my perfect match foundation, supposedly. Yeah, I just want to put El Maquillage to the test and see if they picked my perfect foundation and if it matches my skin perfectly, if it's what I like, if it's full coverage, if it's like everything I asked for. So this should be interesting. I'm really excited to see. This is what it came in. Minimalism is dead. Super cute. Literally just wanted to review it as soon as I tried it, just, you know, have a reaction video as well. How cute is this little box packaging? Super cute. I love the cardboard. The metallic silver Il Maquillage. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't know how to say Il Maquillage. I had to YouTube it. Thank God for YouTube. So yeah, this packaging is super pretty and it has the ads and the websites. So let's open this baby up. Super easy to open up also. Oh, so cute. Oh, also guys, I mentioned I got to try this product for free. You get to try this product for free as well. All you have to do is pay, I believe it's $6.75 for shipping or something like that. It's really cool, and if you don't like it, then send it back within 14 days. But if you do like it, then you have 14 days and they will charge you full price for the product. I think that is such a awesome idea for a business. Like if you want to try an online cosmetic brand, that is genius. You get a chance to try the foundation for free, and if you don't like it, you send it back and you literally have nothing to lose. So I think that is a genius idea. Little side note. But anyways, back to this. This is the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation, and they actually ranged me in the shade 105. I love this packaging. Black and white is so pretty. Well, and also it does, in the box it says how it works. Try the products. You have 14 days before delivered. Love it or return it, which is what I just explained. And then it does come in this cute little packaging and this little thing. Over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. We're gonna see if they got this right. Apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Blend out with a brush or sponge. Wait 5 minutes for the foundation to sit before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or wrists. They're different, which is good to know. Finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer. So wear for a full week to determine if it's perfect for you, which is really awesome, which is why they do the 14 days before you return. I love that. So yeah, we're gonna try it for a full 14 days. I don't know why I can't talk today. And we are going to see if we love it or we're gonna return it. Super excited. Let me redo that because this should have its moment. Ooh, super pretty. Got this for free just to try it out, and it's full size. Like, here is my other foundation. Wow. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm just taking the plastic off. I like the look. I like the matte glass. I like the black logo. Woke Up Like This foundation. Okay, we're gonna shake it up just because it's like habit. I like to shake up my foundation. I am gonna be using a beauty blender. Now I'm just going to apply 2 pumps at the back of my hand. That was pump 1, pump 2. Okay. We're just gonna see how this looks. I think this looks good. There was only a couple questions, so I'm gonna be surprised. It feels lightweight It actually looks really good. Okay, hold on, hold on. Let's see, let's see. Feels really nice. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all, actually. I think this looks really, really good. It's creamy, but it's leaving me a matte finish, which I really, really like that. And it's super easy to blend in. I think it actually matches my skin pretty good. Like really good. Which is crazy because most of my questions were like the same picture. Wow. I think it actually matched my skin perfectly. That is crazy. That is crazy. Like, what? I literally only had like 10 questions and the pictures were very, very similar. In fact, I saw the same picture at least 4 out of 5 times. I love it. That is crazy. I love it. I can't believe it matches perfectly off of an online quiz. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then wear it all day, and I'll see you guys real soon. So this is the final look. I really love this foundation so far. It applied with everything else so nice, so creamy, and blended in so nice and smooth. So yeah, I love this foundation. I love that it matched up to my skin. I love the feel, and I love that it feels weightless, and just everything about the formula. I am gonna try it for a couple more days to see if I'm gonna keep it or not. We'll keep you guys updated in the comments down below if I decide to keep it or return it. But so far, I am actually really loving it. And I think it looks really nice and flawless. So yeah, that is it for today's review. Let me know what you guys think of this review and the foundation in general in the comments down below, and I will update you guys. Don't forget to check back on the update in like a week, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button because every sky needs her clouds. Bye clouds, I love you.